Sanjay Uvacha Evamukto ऋषिकेशः गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम् भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान् समवेतान् कुरूनिति.
Sanjaya said, O Bharata, Dhritarashtra, requested thus by Gudakesha Arjuna, Rishikesha drove the suprememost chariot between the two armies. Facing Bhishma, Drona and all the kings, he said, See, O Partha, these Kurus assembled here. First of all, Sanjaya addresses Dhritarashtra as Bharata. Bharata comes from two words. Bha means light, Rataha means to delight in. Every Indian is born, our tradition is to delight in Atman. So he is very sarcastically asking Dhritarashtra, are you delighting in Atman in and through this battle? He refers to Arjuna as Gudakesha, Lord of Sleep, means one who has overcome his tamas. He is a dynamic personality. And only a person who has overcome tamas can enter the spiritual path. Suprememost chariot. See, throughout, Sanjaya has the highest respect and regard, reverence for Krishna, highest admiration for Krishna, and he shows it in the choice of words. Again, this is a transferred epithet. It's not the chariot that is suprememost, it is Krishna who is suprememost. He repeats between the two armies because it's, see, as long as you're looking outward, you see good and you see bad. It's only when you turn introvert that you see the Kurus. He says, behold the Kurus, see the Kurus. You can see the negative forces within yourself. All your shortcomings and faults come to light only when you look within. As long as you're looking outward, each one of us thinks, I am an angel and everyone else is a devil. So you need to look inward. And Krishna's first lesson, Arjuna says, drive me between the two armies. Mind you, so far Krishna has not spoken a word, but without speaking, he's getting the message across. Arjuna has asked him to drive him between the two armies so that he may see the people who have assembled there to please the wicked Duryodhana. He drives the chariot straight in front of Bhishma and Drona in the hope that Arjuna will rise above his judgmental attitude and see that Bhishma and Drona are certainly not there to please Duryodhana. They are there to just do their duty. And he hopes that Arjuna will find inspiration from Bhishma and Drona and do his duty to the best of his ability. And that's all that anyone can do. But, and that's a huge but, Arjuna is not up to it at all. The purpose for which Krishna drove Arjuna in front of Bhishma and Drona is completely defeated because he allows his mind to overtake his personality. And we'll see this shortly in the next two verses, 26 and half of 27.